Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Good morning.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. We have a new
Hello,
kid.
ma'am.
Hello, Munib. How are you?
Good morning.
Everybody is very chirpy and cheerful. Oh no. I had a form to fill for Mandela's.
Yes, ma'am, and you did not.
Can I fill it now? I mean, after this class?
Yes, ma'am, do it. Ma'am, you can do it.
I can still do it.
Amina will give it at night. Amina will give it at night now. That's all. Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay. I'll go ahead and fill the form. After the class, okay? After the class, I'll do it. Okay, hello and welcome everybody.
No, we could have got half century, ma'am. We had already half century. We already had 49. Ma'am, we have 59 responses. Acha, we
That's
passed
more than-
half century. We passed half century.
I thought it was 41.
Was 59, you don't. No, Amina shared the screenshot. No, it was 48.
We have 61 responses.
61 response. Will mine count?
Yes,
I
but
do-
if you submit, then it will count now because the form is with you.
Okay.
For what?
And the form is still on. When I turn it off, it will not be on.
Okay, it's still on, right? I can still
Yes.
go ahead and fill the form, right? Okay, cool. I was so excited. I had it in my mind that I'm supposed to do it, but me. Okay. All right. I have a math riddle for you. I know. Yes. Yahya sent it to me. Yahya sent the link, and that is when I remembered, okay, I have to fill the form. Okay. Nonetheless, Shabana ma'am had uploaded on the teachers group. So I was like, yes, definitely I'm going to fill the form. Anyway, coming back to the riddle. Okay, I have a lot of people joining. We have a new student, Dhania. Hello and welcome, Dhania. It's good to have you
Thank you,
at
ma'am.
Golden Sparrow. Welcome. I hope you get along. So which batch are you in, Dhania? The Wrights or the Mandelas? She's in the right batch, Mandela?
Ma'am, she's in the right.
Right batch. Okay, that's nice. Okay. So this is SDG. We study about sustainable development goals. We learn a lot of new things in this class, and I hope you enjoyed the session too. Okay, before we start, coming back to the math riddle, listen to this very, very carefully. Okay, I'm not displaying any screens, so you have to listen to me very carefully. The answer to every equation is 10. The answer to every equation is 10. Using numbers from 1 to 9, make equations to which the answer is 10.
5,
So-
1, 2.
Quickly
5
grab a
plus
pencil
5.
and a paper. Quickly grab a pencil and a paper and do it. Come on. So I'll repeat my riddle. I saw Amina's face going like, what? Okay.
Ma'am, what is
So-
equation?
Equation means
Questions.
sums. Questions. Yes,
Okay.
sums.
Question.
So you have to frame sums and equations using the numbers 1 to 9, and the answer to which should be 10.
Ma'am, 5 plus 5.
That is so
You can make one equation, you can make multiple
9 plus
equations.
1.
Doesn't
1
matter.
plus 9.
Ma'am, but I have a question.
Okay,
can
coming back to Anas. Anas,
Ma'am,
grab a
5 plus
pencil and
5.
paper. Let me see how many of you all get the maximum number of equations wins.
Ma'am, we can repeat the number. Means
Tanya, do it separately. I'll repeat the question. Yeah, you can repeat the number. Doesn't matter. Don't send the answers in chat, Tanya. Come on, they'll just copy.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I was
All right, go ahead.
Ma'am, the answer is 9.
Do not give me the answer. Write down the equations, as many as possible. Rushda, don't do that.
Sorry.
No, nothing in chat. Nothing in chat. And the one who finishes first with the maximum number of equations wins. We've heard of the rat race. We are in the math race today.
Equation 1 of sum. What
is an equation?
Muhammad. A sum, a question, an equation.
Ma'am, I got
Oh,
9 equations.
You completed? You finished? Yes, Abdullah wins. Okay. All right. Anas, how much did you get? Anas, second position. How much did you get? 7. Okay,
Ma'am, I
good.
also
That looks good.
completed. I also
Okay, Ibrahim third. Okay, we take 3 winners. All right. Done. Stop, everybody. All right. Ibrahim, how many equations did you get?
Ma'am, I got 13.
What? How is that possible?
Yes, ma'am, that is not possible.
That's not possible. But we
I
check.
got
We check.
5 into 2. I got 9. I also got 9, ma'am. Ma'am, I got
No, not multiplication. Addition. Oh, okay. I did not say addition. Okay, I did not say addition or multiplication. I did not specify. I just said make equation, the answer to which is she's right. Actually, Aisha's right. Aisha, you win.
When you use addition, subtraction, and multiplication, you get 13 or more than 13.
Right, right. So what Aisha did was she heard the question.
Ma'am, I got 9.
Okay,
Ma'am,
9.
I got 9.
See, if you've used addition, then you will get 9 equations.
Ma'am, you're stuck.
And plus
That's
plus
fine.
9.
1 are 10 and
It
10
should be
2s are
11.
10. 10 1s are 10.
No, but the number should be only from 1 to 9, Munib.
Yes, ma'am,
You
11
cannot
should
use
be,
the number 10.
Ma'am,
So it
11
will
should
be
be
11. Abdullah is right. Okay, okay, that is good. All right.
Ma'am, can I
So,
say?
yeah, go ahead, Ibrahim.
Ma'am,
One person volunteering for all the equations. Come on, quickly.
Ma'am, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 8
Just
plus
give me the equation. We know the answer.
10. 7 plus
Ma'am,
3
actually
is equal to
there are more than 20.
6 plus
How will
4
there
is
be more than
equal to
20?
10. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 2 plus 5 is 10.
Okay. So the easiest part, the easiest way of doing it is you should have written numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I did the same thing, ma'am.
I
I did the same thing.
9 plus
Yeah,
1, 8
that's
plus
the
2, 7
quickest
plus
way you
3,
could have done it, and
plus
that
4, 5
the
plus
answer
5.
to all the equations that way, if you go in the reverse order, is 10. Okay, that's good. That's
Ma'am, what is
smart
the
method.
Ma'am, did you get
The answer is
mine?
10.
I got 10, ma'am. I have 10 equations.
No, it cannot be. It can be only 9.
Ma'am, I got
Ma'am, I got 9.
Ma'am, I got 11, ma'am. I
If you all have used multiplication, then you are bound to get more than 10 or 10.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I got 9.
Ma'am, can I
Okay, 9 is good. 9 is good.
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Okay, the riddle is over.
Okay, it's done. It's done. I think we are good. We know about it. Okay, everybody, you have solved the
Ma'am,
riddle.
it can
And
be 7 plus 2 plus 1.
yes, definitely. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, if you break the numbers, then yes. Umar,
Yes, ma'am,
you
there
are
can
right.
be so many then.
See,
Then it
ma'am,
can be
it's
many.
more than 20.
Then you can go beyond that. That's smart. All right, let's come back to live below.
Water.
Where were we? Swimming under the sea. Let's go under the sea. Give me the names of 5 oceans around the world.
Pacific,
Pacific Ocean, Antarctic, Atlantic, Indian Ocean.
Suddenly it's turned into a fish market. Why? Come on, under the sea, that doesn't mean you start selling fish.
Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean.
Okay. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean, or the Southern Ocean. All right. How much have we completed until the previous class?
Indian Ocean.
Ma'am,
Indian
the
Ocean?
second Pacific Ocean.
We completed Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Indian
Atlantic
Ocean.
Ocean. We did not do Atlantic.
We did
Southern
not do
Ocean.
Southern Ocean.
I
we
think
did
complete-
Southern Ocean.
We've completed till Southern Ocean, I feel.
No, ma'am, we
No.
completed only till
No?
yes, we completed the Southern Ocean.
We completed Southern Ocean.
Yeah, we completed Southern Ocean, ma'am.
Okay, Anas, good work. All right, let's start with Southern Ocean. Okay, a little brief up. Okay, and today I'm going to ask you a quiz. We are going to play a quiz towards the end of the class. So, yay! And I have a story for you. So I hope today's session
Ma'am,
is
we
good.
have done
Can you?
Southern Ocean.
Ma'am, we have completed.
Fine. We'll just quickly revise Southern Ocean. Yeah. And then we'll move ahead. Okay. Dhania, for you, because you were not there in the previous class, I would want you to take a book and a pencil. All right. We are learning about the 5 oceans of the world. And it comes under SDG goal number.
Life below water.
Life below water. Goal number 14. Okay. So here we are with the Southern Ocean.
Ma'am, let's go.
Southern Ocean is the second smallest ocean in the world. Okay. Which is the first smallest ocean in the world?
Ma'am, I think Atlantic Ocean.
No.
Pacific Ocean.
Oh,
Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean.
Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world.
Indian Ocean.
No.
And Arctic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean, that's right, Dhanya. Okay, perfect. Arctic Ocean is the one. And Southern Ocean is also known as Antarctic Ocean. The reason it is called Antarctic, why?
Ma'am, because
it is Antarctica.
It is the coldest ocean.
Ma'am, because it is
It is
near
the coldest
Antarctica.
Ibrahim,
ocean.
really, Ibrahim? Why
Because
is
it's near
Indian Ocean called
Antarctica.
Indian Ocean? Yes, thank you, Amina. Why is Indian Ocean called Indian Ocean, Ibrahim?
Ma'am, because
It is named after its country. So Antarctica, Antarctic Ocean is also named after its
Continent.
Antarctica continent.
Okay. Indian Ocean
cold.
is near India, therefore it's named after that country, Indian Ocean. And the Antarctic Ocean is named after the continent that it surrounds, and it surrounds the continent of Antarctica. Okay, it's the coldest and the wildest ocean. And you get to see emperor penguins, and in the previous class, my students made slave penguins also. I don't know who was that. Somebody said if the other species of penguins are found, they are called the slave penguins. How do you come up with such amazing things? I have no idea. Okay. And then there are blue whales and elephant seals and giant squid and the wandering albatross. Albatross are the birds. And Juveria showed us the picture of albatross in the
Ma'am,
previous
we did
class. I remember.
Atlantic.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Atlantic Ocean is also
the elephant, ma'am, which you area call that elephant? No.
No. That is Dugnogs.
Ocean is like to
Yes.
the Southern Ocean.
Cow.
Ma'am, which
Those are the
oceans
cows of no. Those are the cows of the sea. Dugnogs.
Ma'am,
Yes.
should be
We
called
have the
elephants.
last
Why are they
ocean
called
remaining,
cows? ma'am?
Abdullah. Anas had to say something. Anas, go ahead.
Ma'am, one teacher came for only one class. She also taught us that what is an ocean, Southern Ocean, and
she taught us about the layers of the ocean, which are the twilight, sunlight,
Oh, that's amazing.
sunlight zone.
Okay, this is the last ocean. This is the last ocean that we are supposed to do. It's called the Arctic Ocean. Yes. Yeah.
If there is a sea cow in the ocean, why is there not a seahorse? There is a seahorse. And why is there not a sea chicken?
Because there's a seahorse. Sea
And
chicken.
why is there not a sea chicken?
You want to start a poultry farm under the ocean?
Yes, that's why I'm
Hamdan
asking.
Fazlani, your voice is breaking big time.
Ma'am,
Okay.
if there
Hamza, go
are
ahead.
sea-
Select a sea chicken and let me know. Okay. Which fish or which sea creature looks like a sea chicken, and then we can name that species as a sea chicken.
Ma'am,
Yes.
there is a sea spider.
fish.
Okay. Let's go ahead with the Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest ocean. Thank you, Mani. It's the smallest ocean in the world. Okay. It surrounds the Arctic region. Okay. And this is the ocean that is specifically surrounded by land. Okay. On almost all the sides. Only one side is opening, and that opening meets with the Atlantic Ocean, as you can see in the picture on the given globe.
Ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am, how
Please
do
go,
they
Hamdan.
No, ma'am, it is Munib. I have a question. So, ma'am,
No, Munib, I know. I was replying to Hamdan. Tell me.
how do they decide that this
They
part
segregate
is
the ocean?
ocean? Yes.
This part is that ocean and that. Okay, that's a good question. So, Munib, they decide that by the kilometers that it stretches to. Okay, so there is a certain distance that the scientists of the world have come together and decided, okay, so if the water body extends from the land to these many kilometers or miles, then we name it as the ocean area. Okay, when we come, the closest it is to the land, it is the sea. More close, it becomes the coast. Where the water is touching the land becomes the coast. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, why did the scientists did not they could make all oceans equal also, no, ma'am? Why this large, this small?
Honestly speaking, if you see the picture, it is just one water body.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, all the water is the same.
something.
But
Ma'am,
keeping in mind the access to the water that we have. Okay. Now, you living in India, you cannot say, I want, actually you can, you know, in a way you cannot go to the Indian Ocean and you can say, oh, look at me, I'm swimming in the Pacific Ocean.
Ma'am, Arctic
Do that.
Ocean.
Pacific Ocean is right behind you. Okay. But because that water body, that part of the water is closer to your country, to India, that's the reason it's named as Indian Ocean. If logically speaking, you see, the water is the same. Okay. So you
What happens because of that?
too many people talking and I cannot hear a thing.
Ma'am,
One
can I
person
speak?
Can I say?
Ma'am, where is Arctic Ocean located? Ma'am, in which like
North
which
Pole.
part? North Pole. Okay.
Here.
So
So what
between
are the
which
continents?
continent?
What are the continents surrounding it?
Ma'am,
The continents. Asia, very good.
And Europe.
Europe, one more.
Australia.
No.
USA.
No. Yes, North America. Okay, so there are 3 continents surrounding the Arctic Ocean. That is Asia, Europe, and North America. Often Arctic Ocean is completely covered
North
in ice.
America.
North American continent right here. This is North America, this is Asia, this is the European continent. Okay. Now it is usually covered in ice because it is towards the North Pole and we know both the poles of Earth are complete ice, it is frozen. All right. Polar bears live on the ice that covers the ocean and can swim in the water. Yes, we all know that. Now there is a fun fact about, it's not very fun. It's a very devastating fact, by the way. Because of climate change, the amount of ice covering the Arctic is getting smaller every year. So which SDG goal is this fact or this detail covering?
Climate action.
Climate action goal number 13.
13.
Okay,
Yes,
so it's addressing climate action goal number 13. And who is the advocate right now? A teenage girl fighting for climate action.
Greta Thunberg.
Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Okay.
even the
Yes.
smallest ocean is bigger to us if we see it in person.
Obviously. Yes, definitely. We are very small. We are so significant that we just have this pride in ourselves. Oh, we are humans and we can do anything. Sure, you can, but then our vastness is very, like, it's not very vast. It's not. Okay. Yes, Hamza. I take from you and then I move ahead. Go ahead, everybody, write down. Arctic Ocean. The points that you will be writing for Arctic Ocean is it's the smallest ocean. It is fully covered with ice. That's it. And the
Ma'am,
continents
I
that
wrote all,
surround it.
ma'am. I wrote all.
Why? Why do you do that?
Ma'am, you will send this PPT in the Google Classroom, right? For revision.
You want me to?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I will.
Come on.
All right. Give me a minute.
Same.
Done.
Ma'am said 1 minute.
And we have to write, did you know?
Okay. Moving on to the next segment.
So you don't
Let's
have
go. Let's go ahead with the story. Okay, I have a story. I'll just move on to the.
Ma'am, we do not have to write the did you know.
Post mute everyone for the story.
No. You do not have to write. Did you know? Okay. You just had to write 2 points, and I.
Yes, the
You want me
ice
to
one
send?
and the
Yeah,
ice
ma'am.
one. and-
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, it's completely covered in ice and it's the smallest ocean in the world. That's it. 2 points that you had to write.
Yes, ma'am,
okay?
I wrote that only.
Nothing more. Okay, perfect. Now, give me one object in your surrounding right now, which is made up of plastic.
Ma'am,
Oh.
table.
Mouse.
Okay,
Ma'am, mouse.
that's made up of plastic. Okay.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
No,
tiffin box.
This
Ma'am,
mouse
chair.
is not made up of plastic. It's made up of optic fiber. It's a
Ma'am,
fiber.
ma'am,
it's
but
not
the
plastic.
outer covering is plastic, right? Ma'am, bottle. This medicine bottle. Ma'am.
This part is plastic.
Yeah, yeah.
Sharpener is
Yes.
plastic. Yes.
That medicine bottle is made of with glass. I can see that.
Ma'am, chair.
Plastic. This
Okay, that's plastic. All right, Mohammed, very good. Yes, a different thing. Yes, Munir,
And this
bottle.
pen.
Okay, a sellotape and a bottle. A pen made up of plastic. Perfect. What else? Nanya, come on. One thing made up of plastic. Quickly. Oh, okay, Juveria. I can see that paper. Okay. Okay, a rattle. Yes.
Bilal
No, Hamza, show it to me. Show it to me. Hamza, show it to me.
I'm
Pepsi
Dibba.
bottle, Humera Kazi. Okay, I can see you, Humera.
Ma'am,
Yes.
plastic bag.
Show it to me.
Ma'am,
All
can you
right.
see
Okay, bottle.
my-
Yes. Okay, a cover. Yes, I can see a flimsy plastic cover.
Ma'am,
All right.
Ma'am,
hair dryer.
ma'am,
Plastic.
Ma'am, this is plastic.
Hair
ma'am.
dryer is made up of plastic.
Ma'am.
Yes, that's plastic. A Rubik cube is a
tub.
plastic. Yes.
Ma'am.
All right.
ma'am,
Okay.
plastic
Can you
tub.
see mine?
Okay. Over. Plastic time over. Time out. Yeah.
Ma'am, plastic tub.
Now that object
And
that you
plastic.
showed me right now, that object that you showed me right now, imagine that it's of no use to you. Okay. Right now, imagine it's of no use. What is the next step that you will do?
Throw it.
Throw it away. Very good.
Throw it in the
Where?
recycling bin. Throw it in
Where?
the dustbin.
In the
Recycling
dustbin.
bin.
Perfect. Okay. Then from the dustbin. Oh, Munir, you have a recycling bin at your house?
Ma'am, if it is
No.
good, then I will give it to somebody in need.
No, ma'am,
Okay.
but we have divided. We have 2 bins, ma'am. We have 2 bins.
Okay, fine. But then those bins ultimately go to the garbage can, right?
No, ma'am,
It
they
goes-
go and recycle, ma'am. There's a truck.
Ma'am,
that-
Okay, there's a recycling plant nearby. Have you seen
I
a
don't know
recycling
about
plant?
that. ma'am. I don't know.
All right. So let's imagine that there is no recycling plant. Okay. Let's imagine that the plastic that we throw in the garbage does not get recycled. Okay, there's no recycling.
then they throw
Because
it
we
in
don't
the
know, we haven't seen one.
They throw it in the ocean.
We'll come to that. We'll come to that. Wait. You never know whether they throw it in the ocean or not. All right. Dhanya said they put it in the garbage can. From the garbage can, give me the possible answers. Where can it go? Okay. Umar said one. He said they take the garbage and they dump it in the ocean. That's number one. What else?
On a land that is not useful. On a land.
Dump it on a land.
They dump it on the land. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, in the ocean.
Ma'am,
In the
they,
ocean. Yeah.
ma'am, they go
Yes.
somewhere.
recycle.
No, they do not take it to the recycling. Yes, Abdullah.
There is no recycling plant.
Landfills, yes, Mohammed.
They go somewhere like only they go there and they have very big holes that are dug, and then they put all of the garbage in.
Mohammed said it in the chat. I don't know why he did not speak up in the class, Mohammed. I would have appreciated that. He said they put it in the landfills. Okay. I will listen to you, Mohammed. You are
Ma'am,
audible,
there is
okay?
there is a
And we
place
have
where
little
they put
Bilal in
all
the class. Everybody say hi, Bilal. Okay. So they put it in the landfills. All right. They dig, like Abdullah said, they dig big holes and they put the garbage away. So two things. It goes in the ocean and it goes in the landfills. Now, plastic is not degradable. We all know that. It doesn't decompose. Okay. What will happen if you put it on the land, in the landfills? But once it is put in the landfills, what will happen?
There will be no
Aisha Aga.
trees growing.
Anas,
Trees cannot grow
Hamdan,
there.
come on, I want you all to answer.
Ma'am, trees will not grow.
Land pollution.
Okay, land pollution.
Ma'am, trees will not grow because of the plastic.
Ma'am, that
Trees will
chemicals
not
they have in them, they will
They
go and
burn it.
they will
They
damage
burn
the
it and then air pollution comes.
Okay, they burn and the air pollution. Now, here is a story for you that tells you what happens to the plastic once it is dumped in the ocean. Okay, so it's like a book. I will display my screen. I'll share my screen. It's a book, and the name of the story or the book is A Place for Plastic. Okay, come on, please work. Can you see my screen? Everybody?
Yes,
ma'am. We can
a
see your
place for plastic.
Let's go full screen. A Place for Plastic. All right. This is maybe the first cover. Where on earth is the place for plastic? Shopping delivered. This bag's job is done. It's time for a brand new adventure. But where? Freedom. What a treat for the bag to swirl and glide above the vast open world. Carried on the wind, it reaches a river that snakes through the land and follows the path to the shore. Under the surface of the sea is a world filled with wondrous creatures. Such fun it is to drift with them for a while. But
Ma'am, I
these
can't
are
see
not.
your screen, ma'am.
Can nobody see my screen, or it is only?
We can see.
Ma'am, I can see your screen, ma'am.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
can see.
Ma'am, it is on the second screen.
Then Ibrahim, I think it's your internet. It will load. Do not worry. Okay. Right now we are on this page, and it says under the surface of the sea is a world filled with.
Yeah. Oh, now it's here.
It will load. It will load. Do not worry. It depends upon your internet. Okay, the screen will load.
now.
Yes, wondrous creatures. Such fun it is to drift with them for a while. But these are not plastic bags, and they swim away.
Ma'am, plastic bag is a fish now.
Ma'am, they made this book so realistic now, ma'am. In this also we have to ऐसा full drag करके पलटी मारना पड़ता है.
Yes. Okay. Next page says light flickers and fades over a cascade of colors. How beautiful it is beneath the waves. Oh, to be a part of the patchwork. A friend breaks free from the surface above and sinks through the cool water. Two twisted plastic arms, a grizzled plastic face, a pointed plastic sword in his hand. Another explorer joins the search for a place to belong. Hamza, let's not do that. With its new friend in tow, the bag is fished from the water in a flurry of feathers water ride. The wind whips and the bird calls, but a bag is no food for the greedy gannet. The pirate may have found its next adventure, but the bag's journey is not over yet. A ripple, then a splash, and a huge beast bursts through the waves. It rises and hangs in the air before crashing back down to the sea. The creature plunges down through a brightly colored cloud. Here, plastic particles dance in a shoal of their own. But no plastic as large as a bag lives here. The water grows darker and deeper they dive. The light falls away. The journey goes on, more of the same. There is only the never-ending sea. After an age, the bag rises towards a tapestry of stars. What is that waiting in the light of the moon? A new land to discover and settle? Could this be the end of the journey so long, a place with a purpose for plastic? All journeys seem to end here. Is the adventure over? Is there nothing more than this? Where is the place for all this plastic? Here, the scraps and the dregs and the waste of the world, smother the suffering sea. This is a plastic place, but not the place for plastic. There must be a brighter future out there, something more to be. Not left in the shallows, ignored and overlooked, choking the life from the ocean. But found and collected, reclaimed and recycled, made use of before it's too late. Is there a place on earth for plastic? Okay, so that is the end of the story. So give me the answer to your question. Before we go ahead, all right, before we go ahead with answering the question, is there a place for plastic? Quickly, who will summarize and tell me the journey? What was the journey? Where did the journey start from? What was the purpose of that bag?
Ma'am, a garbage truck. A bag flying.
The purpose of the bag was carrying a thing.
Shopping
for
items,
shopping.
right? It was a
Yeah.
shopping bag. Okay. Delivered the items, job done. What happened next?
Then the
lady
lady
threw the bag in the garbage.
because
From the
there was no
garbage,
use
it
shopping
swirled
in
into
that.
the air. Yes, it moved through the rivers that snakes the earth. Okay, the river moves in a zigzag
And
way.
then
So that's
the pirate
yes.
comes.
Okay, so the shopping bag or the plastic bag that enters the ocean meets a new friend, like Yaya mentioned, and that friend is nothing but a plastic pirate figurine. Okay, the figurine gets picked up by the birds or the seagulls. Okay, but the plastic falls back again into the ocean or the sea, and it meets a huge beast. What's the beast?
Blue
The whale. Okay, and it goes deeper and deeper and deeper, and then when the whale comes on the surface from the blowhorn of the whale, it comes out. Okay, now when the plastic first entered the water, what did it look like? Could you identify the plastic along with the jellyfishes?
Yes,
You would?
ma'am, it was
Yes, I could.
It looked like a jellyfish, right?
yeah, because
Yeah.
it was looking like a
Now, yes, because it's transparent, because it has that flow in it. Okay. Could there be a possibility that the turtles who eat the jellyfish can also intake the plastic? Is there a possibility? Yeah, that they can
Yes,
intake the
ma'am. There
plastic?
is some possibilities.
Yes, very good. So there are possibilities that it can happen. All right. How it will harm the creature, that we'll discuss later. So the plastic actually had this entire journey But was there a destination? Did the journey end?
No. No, ma'am.
What happened towards the end of the story? What happened?
It just not recycled. Ma'am, it
towards
was
the
not.
end, did it get recycled?
Ma'am, at the end of the story, the plastic were not recycled and the plastic were increased.
Very good. The plastic was not
Alfia,
recycled, though
ma'am.
the option of recycling was given. Yes, Umar.
Alfia, ma'am, if they dump the plastic in the space.
If they dump the plastic in the space, Umar, actually there is a gravitational field around the earth. Okay?
No, ma'am,
and
But there are still, ma'am, but there are
Mars.
still some garbage in the space.
Those are space debris. Okay, it's filled with space debris, trust me. And the meteors that come, it is actually very harmful. What can happen is the meteor can hit the space debris and the meteor can change its path. Okay, the meteor is coming from here. If it hits the space debris, it changes its path. But the space debris can fall on Earth and we don't know what that is made up of. It can harm any place on Earth.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you know how many satellites the world and how many satellites to the full where the satellites has orbited the whole sky is full.
Yes, I know.
No more
So-
satellites can fit in there.
I know. When you leave the exosphere of the Earth's atmosphere, and when you enter the outer space, the inner space is exosphere. When you reach the outer space, it will take a lot of time for you to leave that space debris, that garbage patch, that entire patch of garbage that is surrounding the Earth. Okay, Anas, go ahead, speak.
I saw a photo, ma'am. And they, in some places, they put the plastic in some big container.
Okay. And what happens to the container?
Then they keep like that only.
Oh, that must be the recycling container. It's only for plastic?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, then that's the recycling container.
If we
Okay. Yes, Aisha.
superheat the plastic, what it destroy?
It melts.
Yeah.
And that liquid can be used to make different items. That is exactly what is recycling, Aisha. So they take the plastic, they put it in a chopper, they put the plastics into small pieces, okay? And that small pieces, they melt it, okay? Thus making a liquid polyethylene, okay? A chemical called polyethylene. And from that polyethylene, they can make different other plastic materials and things that you can use. This is the entire process of recycling. This is what we should actually do.
And just destroy plastic and just not use it.
No, when you melt plastic, it releases a very harmful gas. So people like you and me in a household environment, we can't do. Okay, throw it in the volcano. Never do that.
No, ma'am.
Never do that. It's gonna burst.
Ma'am, the volcano will erupt and all the garbage we throw it in it. It will come
That's
out.
dangerous. Okay, that's dangerous to even think about it.
It will
Okay,
be
let's not
like
do
you
that.
are giving a person more food than he wants.
Dormant volcanoes are the sleeping volcanoes. They can erupt anytime. So let's not do that. Okay, volcanoes, bad idea. Bad ideas. Volcanoes are bad idea.
What about the people who are visiting a volcano never visit a volcano?
Exactly. What about them? They'll be covered in plastic then. The plastic man. Okay, we'll have a new superhero or a villain. We don't know. Okay.
Now he'll be a villain because it's plastic.
Yes, because it's plastic, it's a villain. Hamza, speak, and I come to the
He
last.
will be plastic man.
Hamza, speak. Do not shout. I can hear you. Hamza, speak. I can't hear you. Your voice is breaking, Hamza.
He cannot hear you.
Hamza, I can't hear you. Your voice was breaking. Now you can speak. Yes. Say something apart from ma'am. Go ahead and speak.
You can throw the plastic in, make a big hole from the earth's surface to the mantle, and throw the plastic in it and cover it and put a car on it. The lava will explode, nothing will happen, and plastic will melt.
How is it possible nothing will happen? Hamza, bad idea. Okay.
We can also put the plastic in the black hole. The black hole is suck it and then
Yeah, that's great.
yeah.
Try going near the black hole. Yes, try doing that.
Yeah,
We can put the plastic in the black hole. It's very convenient for us to
And
sit over here and say that.
Someone
Okay.
will sacrifice his
Along with the
life
plastic,
for
you
Earth.
will also be sucked in.
And
Right?
someone
Carry
will
all the plastic.
sacrifice his
No,
life.
but see, it takes a lot of children. It takes a lot of money to just send a space shuttle into the space. Okay. Do you really think we are going to spend that much amount of money just to get rid of the plastic? Why can't we just recycle it when we have the solution, which we are not actually doing it? We can just recycle it, okay? There is a solution for plastic. It's not that bad. And there are people out there, there are scientists out there who are creating biodegradable plastics. Okay? We can take that into use. All right. Umar, let me come to the last sentence, Umar, please. I'll come back to you, Umar. Just let me speak this one. The last sentence in the book said, this is a plastic place, but not a place for plastic. What did you understand by the sentence?
Ma'am, there are plastic over there, but the plastic should not be there.
There is plastic water.
The plastic is over
The
there.
water, the
but
plastic
place
is all
for
going.
plastic is
Everybody
not
saying
there.
plastic, but that is not the place for plastic. The place is recycling center.
Yes. Okay. So that place must have been filled with plastic, but that is not the place of plastic. The actually place for plastic is to be sent in the recycle. Okay. With this, we come to the end of the story session. All right. Now I have 2 videos for you.
What about the
And I will ask you before we go ahead with the question. Before we go ahead with the video, I have 2 questions. Okay. The first question, answer it very, very diligently. Okay. And if you can write this question down in your notebook, it will be beneficial. Okay. Why are oceans important? This is my first question to you. Why are oceans important? Think it through. Give me 2 points, everybody. From everyone. I'm going to listen to everybody.
Ma'am, it has.
If there will be no
Raise your hand. Raise your hand and I'll give you a chance. Umar.
Ma'am, the oceans have fishes and all the sea creatures and for eating, and it has the corals that give us oxygen.
Okay, 2 points done. One, it provides us fishes for eating, and second, corals produce oxygen for survival. Okay. Juveria.
Every living thing needs water, and we get water from the ocean.
Okay, every living things need water and we get water from the ocean. That's one. Go ahead, Aisha Kazi.
the whole earth needs water, and every creature needs can live in it, like the sea creatures.
Okay, water point is done by Juveria. Give me another point, Anas. Go ahead.
Ma'am, we get oil from the water.
We get oil. Very good from the oceans. That's an excellent answer, Anas. Okay, Aminaga.
There are a lot of underwater creatures that live, so the ocean is houses for them.
Okay, there are a lot of aquatic creatures, so the ocean is a house for those creatures. Very good, it's a habitat. Muhammad Mahmadi. Hamza, I will not give you a chance if you keep on saying, ma'am, you have to raise your hand, Hamza. Yes, Muhammad.
Non-tourist spot. Maldives.
Explain a little further.
Maldives and Madagascar are famous for scuba diving and seas.
Okay, so water adventure can happen in oceans. Yes, true. Hamza, speak.
Ma'am, half of the Earth's oxygen is provided by plants that are living underwater.
I'm traveling.
Yes, that point was done by Umar. Okay, Yahya. Moving on to Yahya.
Ma'am, can I say?
Umar, let them
Umar,
speak.
you
Yes,
are
Yahya.
speaking my point. Your stance is done.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, most of the creatures are in the water than in land, and we can get salt. The most of the salt we get from water,
Very
and
good. Yeah, that's a good point. Okay, Aisha Aga.
Ma'am, if the ocean is not there, then the fish will not be alive.
Okay.
ma'am,
So Amina said that point. It's habitat to various sea creatures. Okay. I think sisters, so you all share the same cell, brain cell. Okay. Coming to Dhanya, go ahead.
Ma'am, the oceans provide over a half of the world's oxygen.
Yes, that point was mentioned by Umar Sharif. Okay, I want something that was not mentioned. All right. Ibrahim.
ma'am, I just popped up.
No, you can't say Hamza.
Ibrahim.
Yes, ma'am.
I have not
Ma'am, we
taken his
can-
name. He cannot speak. You speak.
We can travel from ships to
Yes,
other
we can
places.
travel by water and okay.
Yeah.
Life is the ocean. Okay.
And we can do
Right.
fishing.
I think we have good set of points as to why oceans are important. Quickly, I want everybody to jot it down. Come on. Okay, Murid, give us your last point. Okay.
Ma'am, we can get salt from water.
Oh, that point was mentioned by Yahya.
Ma'am, it was oil, right?
Oil was from Anas. Okay. And I have these amazing unique points given by you to the question, why are oceans important? Write at least 5 from these many points that were mentioned in the class. Quickly, write it down in your books. Come on. I see Abdullah writing and Omar.
Ma'am, only
I want to see others writing too. Come on. The question was, why are oceans important? Out of the many points that were discussed in class, go ahead, write 5. I don't want answers like if there will be no oceans, there will be no fun. Please. You have more fun with your video game and phones. It's not that every day you go to the ocean and swim with the waves and the waves. So don't do that. Write good points. Smart ones. Okay.
ma'am, can I say one
Huh?
point?
Okay, go ahead.
Ma'am, then.
Can I say one last point about ocean?
Finish my work.
Yes, Hamza, please go ahead and speak.
Done, ma'am.
Done. I am also done.
Done.
Ma'am, oceans
Ma'am,
also
how
give
many
jobs.
minutes?
Ma'am, oceans also give jobs to sailors, navy sailors, and fishermen.
Awesome, Mohammed. I want you to write that point. Come on. Oceans open up job opportunities, fishermen, occupation. That's a very good point. It's used for defense. See how brilliant are you all. Okay.
Googled it up.
Ma'am, they use it for shark teeth
Fighting the
and
whole time. You are
whales.
I don't know.
I don't
What if we
understand.
did
I
not
don't
do
understand. Why can't we be happy for somebody else's? Why can't we compliment people and appreciate for their ideas?
And
Why
Ruchita,
do we always
half
have
of the
to
time
doubt? Why do we have to doubt on
Yes,
people's
Ruska.
capabilities?
Half of the time you only Google.
Let's
yes,
not do
and
that.
your video is
I
off.
have been Googled since so long.
Ibrahim, I did not give you permission to speak. Let's not do that. Let's be happy for other people. Okay? Let's be happy in their happiness. All right. My last question, it's an assignment question. Also a research question for you. Okay, not a problem. You just have to search what is the Great
Ma'am, see, it's such a big ocean.
Pacific plastic patch? That's your question.
Ma'am, you wrote double P.
Oh,
Ma'am, garbage.
okay.
Ma'am, is garbage.
Ma'am, it is homework.
Ma'am, can you send it in Google?
This is homework. Yes, I'll send it on Google Classroom. If you want, you can write this down too. Not a problem. Now, what are you expected to do for this assignment is you can search for the meaning of this. You can search for pictures. Okay. And you can search its location. Location, I know it's given Pacific Ocean, ma'am. No, I don't want vague answers. There is an exact location given for this. Okay. Even in the Pacific Ocean, you can search for how many actual plastic patches are there in the Pacific Ocean. Okay. You can come up with facts, fun facts that nobody knows about it.
Ma'am, can
So
we
there
make
are-
on Word or PPT?
You can make it on Word, you can make it on PowerPoint, you can just search for the information. You can have a link to the good website where you've read this article. Okay. Doesn't matter.
Ma'am, we have to write the meaning and then submit on Google Classroom, right?
Yes, you have to submit your work on Google Classroom. It can be in the form of a Word document. It can be in the form of a PowerPoint. It can be images. It can be a link to the site where the article on plastic patch is given and you've read it and you know about it. Okay. I want my students to know what is a Great Pacific Plastic Patch. Okay. I want everybody to know about this. I think we have a class. I have a class with you on 24th. Yes. So next week when I meet you, we are going to learn a little more about the Great Plastic Patch.
Ma'am, will you tell the syllabus for final?
Syllabus is simple, beta. It's
life
below water. Yeah.
No poverty.
Okay. Whatever has been happening throughout this month, it's going to be your syllabus. Okay. For Mandalas, it's going to be a.
Ma'am, it will be no poverty and life underwater.
No poverty. It's not no
It's
poverty.
done. It's done.
No poverty is done. It's just life below water. Okay. For rights, it's going to be an online exam, and for Mandela, it's going to be written. Okay.
Means we have to
offline exam.
We'll have offline exam.
Yes.
All subjects, ma'am.
See you until next week. All subjects. Yes. Bye bye. Don't forget.
Bye, ma'am.